This video provides an overview of the new project page in the Marmalade Hub. This is a simple example project from the Marmalade examples and tutorials. On the left-hand side are the settings and buttons for making builds and deployments. On the right-hand side is where output is shown. We'll start by looking at Simulator x86 build. Select Simulator x86 as the platform. The button at the top is green. This means that a binary has already been built and is ready to deploy. Clicking the green button here will launch the simulator and run the app. Below are the build settings, the option to switch between debug and release versions of the app, as well as debug and release versions of the loader, the Marmalade platform abstraction layer. Selecting a release version of the app will select the release loader by default. The button has now turned red to indicate that a release version of the app has not been built yet. Click the Build button at the bottom here to build the binary. After the binary has been built, the button has now changed to green. At the bottom, there are buttons for opening the project within the IDE, and from the More menu are options to open the project directory in Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac, or run the dependency checker. Selecting an ARM platform such as iPhone provides a very similar set of options, with the additional opportunity to switch between GCC and RVCT compilers if RVCT is installed. If RVCT is not installed, an error message will be displayed on the right-hand side. Switch back to GCC and select Build to create the binary. On the right, the summary log is currently showing just the very basic information. Select the Full Log tab to view detailed output from the compiler and build toolchains. Optionally, error and warning messages can be switched on or off.